Damien 1427 serves as an archoflagellant of the ecclesiarchy during the 41st millennium. Once a humble peddler of wares who in a twist of cruel fate was buried beneath a rockslide upon his homeworld of Soluria IV, the trauma inflicted upon his skull caused Damien to proclaim seeing visions of the Emperor, to which none would give credence. Gathering a mob of mutants, outlaws and malcontents to muster within the wilderness, his efforts to rebel against the rule of planetary governor Tyron Rex proved too ambitious for such a disorganized rabble to achieve. Silurian security forces pacifying the rebels before any major damage could be inflicted. Following his arrest, the Cardinal of the World decreed Damien to not be done serving the will of the Emperor and ordained him to be born anew through an act of ultimate punishment. Transformed into an archoflagellant with all traces of his former life expunged from Imperial records, many a priest of the Holy Ordos has benefited from this wretched soul's restrained violence, activating his rampages with the trigger word, Purgatus. Said to have been seconded to the retinue of Inquisitor Ricus Blaine to aid in quelling the Garagdar heresy, none know if such a pitiable creature survives to this day, or has finally ended his penance to the master of mankind.